Today I'm going to show you how to make a crocheted ear saver with buttons. Now you may have seen these before, but the cool thing about this one is it stretches. And the way I did this was to take 2 stretchy hair ties and use that in the pattern. And let me show you real quick on how this works. So this is like a traditional face mask and it's got the ear loops here. What you do is you take your ear saver and you put that around the button, the ear loop around the button, like that. And then you put the other ear loop around the other button. And then you can wear your mask like that. And this helps to prevent the ear loop from pulling and tugging on your ears. And also, if you're looking to make a really fast ear saver, I have a tutorial on how to make this one, and that'll be in the link below. So let's get started. So to get started, you're going to take your 2 hair ties and loop them together. So put one on top of the other and put your fingers through here and pull this side, and there you go. Then take your yarn and do a slip knot. Then you're going to single crochet around the rubber band on one side. Then you're going to do 10 single crochets along this side of the rubber band. So now you have 11 crochets total. You're going to do 1 crochet around the knot. And then do another crochet, single crochet along here. You're going to do 10 single crochets. Then you're going to do 1 crochet for the end here. Then you're going to take your crochet hook and the second single crochet from your hook, you're going to insert your hook right there and pull up a loop and then do a single crochet over all of that. And then you're going to go to the next single crochet here and do another single crochet here. And you're going to do 10 of these and then 1 here and another 10 here. So a total of 21 single crochets. And you've already done 2 here, so let's keep going. Now it may help to pull your work down this way so you have a little more room inside these single crochets. And that was 21. So the next one you're just going to do a slip stitch in here. That was your starting one, starting single crochet. So do your slip stitch, then do 1 chain, and then in that same single crochet you're going to crochet 3, single crochet 3. 1, 2, 3. And then you're going to go along here for 21 stitches and do all single crochets. And there's 21. And then we're going to do 3 single crochets in that next one. This is our end one. 1, 2, 3. And then you'll do another 21 single crochets along to the end. And then you're going to do a slip knot in that next single crochet. And then you can pull this out a little bit and trim right here. And then I'm just going to pull this string to the back of our work so I can knot it. So I'm just going to put my crochet hook through here and then just slide this through. And then we're going to knot it on the back of here. Now you can leave it like this, or you can tuck in your ends if you want. It's up to you. I'm just going to leave it like this for now. I think that's secure enough. And just cut it there. And now we're ready to put on our buttons. So we're going to take about a foot of yarn and cut it here. And we're going to separate the yarn. This has about 8 strands of thread together on the yarn. So I'm going to take 2 of these threads. So see how there's threads there? I'm just going to take 2 of these and just kind of unravel it. Then I can put those threads onto my needle. And take my button. We're going to put the button on the end. Now you can sew it where it's parallel to each other, or you can crisscross. It's up to you. I think I'm just going to sew it parallel. So pull your thread through and leave a little bit of a tail so that way you can hold on to it and tie it at the end. There we go. Oh, tail got caught in there. And then sew over these buttonholes about 4 or 5 times. Then I'll go to my other 2 buttonholes. Make sure that doesn't slide out. And then you can tie this on the back. Just tie it in a knot. And cut the ends. And then you can do the same thing for the other side with your button. Just sew that on. And now that you have your second button sewn on, your ear saver's ready to use and ready to save your ears.